Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of a service that has been growing in popularity, especially among travelers who want reliable yet affordable rental cars, bargain car rentals. If you've ever planned a trip, you know how car rental costs can quickly eat into your budget. So the big question is, does bargain car rentals actually live up to its name? Is it truly a bargain or are there hidden trade-offs? Let's go over this to see whether it's the best option in 2025. Bargain Car Rentals is an Australian-based car rental company that has carved out its own spot in the travel markets by focusing on affordability without stripping away too much convenience. Founded in early 2000s, it started as a smaller local operation but has since grown across Australia with branches in major cities like Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Hobart and the Gold Coast. They even have locations near airports, which makes pick-up and drop-off easier for travelers. What really sets Bargain Car Rentals apart is its core philosophy, offering budget-friendly rental solutions for both tourists and locals. While the big global players like Hertz, Avis and Europcar dominate with luxury fleets and large-scale infrastructure, Bargain has leaned into being the wallet-friendly choice for everyday drivers. It's not about fancy extras or luxury models, it's about keeping costs low while still giving you access to reliable vehicles. In 2025, Bargain Car Rentals is positioning itself as a go-to solution in the mid and budget-friendly tier. And the reason it's catching attention is simple. While travel costs continue to rise, people are hunting for ways to cut back without sacrificing the essentials. So that's where Bargain steps in, giving you access to a vehicle without the premium price tag. Now let's break down the key features that make Bargain Car Rental stand out. Affordable pricing structure. The number one selling point is the competitive pricing. Bargain often undercuts larger competitors, especially if you book directly through their websites rather than third-party sales. Diverse fleet options. While they don't offer high-end luxury models, their fleet covers the essentials: compact cars, sedans, SUVs, vans, and even minibuses for group travel. This makes it easy for different types of travelers to find something that suits their needs. Airport and city locations. They operate in convenient spots, often near airports and city centers, so whether you're flying in or already in town, you can easily pick up and return your car. Unlimited kilometers in many rentals. Depending on the booking and location, they often include unlimited kilometers, which is huge if you're planning longer road trips. Straightforward booking process. Their website is simple and user-friendly with no flashy directions. It's all about quick bookings and transparent pricing. All you need to do is just click the Book Now button and it takes you to where you need to book. You'd need to do a rental search first by putting in details like your pickup location, the drop-off location, the dates, and if you have a discount code and you search, the filter narrows down the search. Local customer service. Because they are an Australian-based company, they are known for having a more personalized approach compared to larger global brands. And there are extras available. They offer child seats, GPS units, insurance upgrades, and roadside assistance as add-ons, which is standard but still important for peace of mind. Now, what is the pricing of this platform like? Pricing is one of the biggest reasons people choose Bargain Car Rentals because their compact cars usually start at around $30 to $40 per day depending on the location and season. The SUVs and larger cars vary anywhere between $60 and $100 per day, and the minibuses for bigger groups may go higher, but still undercuts the big players in the industry. Insurance is extra, and like most car rental companies, they'll offer different coverage levels. The basic price may look super low at first, but you want to factor in insurance if you want to avoid large excess charges in case of accidents. What are the pros and cons of using this platform? First, the pros. Very affordable rates compared to major competitors. There's a wide range of vehicle types, from small cars to minibuses. They have locations across Australia, including airports. They are transparent. Their booking process is no frills, and it often includes unlimited kilometers. How about the cons? Cars may be older compared to premium brands, and it's limited to Australia, it's not an international option. Then the insurance costs can add up quickly. So, is Bargain Car Rentals really the best choice in 2025? Well, the answer depends on what you value most in a rental service. In 2025, With rising costs of travel and more people prioritizing value over luxury, bargain car rental stands out as one of the most cost-effective options in Australia. They're not trying to compete with premium players, and that's the beauty of it. They know their audience, which are budget-conscious travelers who still want a solid, trustworthy ride. That said, it's important to go in with the right expectations. Understand that you're trading luxury for affordability. If you're okay with slightly older vehicles and fewer frills, then bargain car rentals could be the smartest choice for your next trip. And that's it on the review of bargain car rentals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hertz Australia, Europe Car, and Enterprise Car Rentals. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.